Hey everyone, Hannah here from Sheet Leveler. Today I'll show you how to move rows in Google Sheets the easiest way possible. No formulas, no scripts, just quick moves. Here is our sample data. Let's say we want to move Jenna's row higher in the list. Method 1. Drag and drop, easiest way. Click the row number on the left, for example, row 4. Hover over the row until the cursor changes to a hand. Click and hold. Drag the row up or down. Release when you see the thick grey line. That's it. The entire row moves, including all data. Pro tip. If you accidentally select cells instead of the full row, it won't move correctly. Always click the row number, not the cell. Important. If your sheet has filters on, turn filters off first. Moving rows while cahier or filtered can break your data order. That's it. Moving rows in Google Sheets is that simple. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more sheet tips.